Oh yes. Capitata. So tall trees in the forest. Yeah. We are now we have walked from the west to the east coast. So now under the forest at the Descartier Reserve. So it's a 4 hours hike. Yes, from the Edmond Forest to the Descartier Forest. Yes. So anyone who are interested in hiking these trails for 4 hours, you can contact Smith at number 1758 717 3172 or 720 4308. Along this trail, you can get the chance to see the St. Lucian parrot, which is our national bird, the St. Lucia oriole, an endemic species. We have tall trees like the Wape Marron or the Taloma dodecapatella. These trees are native to St. Lucia. Yeah. This is a hike passing through the heart of the forest, getting a chance to keep you fit and spending a time with nature. Yes. Sufficient water, hiking shoes. Oh yes. There we got the blue maho tree or the hibiscus elatus. A very good tree for furniture, craft and general construction. Which is from the Malvaceae family. And this tree was brought from Jamaica back in 1950 in order to restore degraded forests. The leaves are used for shampoo by the Rastafarians. Yes, very good shampoo. Okay. So hello, Catherine. How's it going so far?
It's a good hike. I mean, now you've done something.
Enjoying it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I find Catherine is doing very good along the trail. So is Andy.
If you're used to hiking in Arizona or
Ah,
Colorado or Utah, this is
okay.
very similar to the